Precaution is better than cure. The significance of this everlasting quote can never be questioned, especially at the time when the whole world is fighting against the deadly coronavirus. Nonetheless, staying at home is the best precaution you can take to avoid COVID-19 making you and your family its victim. Many people like COVID-19 lockdown very comfortable, but if you are not one among them, so you definitely need to get engaged in some of the activities to make your time more productive rather than getting bored or frustrating. So here I brought few of the activities that you can try at home. So our first activity is exercise, meditate, find healthy food items to eat, play indoor games, watch movies, create music, revisit old memories. Last but not the least, study ahead. Now I request you and your family to stay home and stay safe.